Once you've started the experiment, you can monitor the instrument's activity and live scatter while the analysis is ongoing. It is valuable to watch what the instrument is doing during analysis by clicking the Log Sheet tab. In the Log Sheet tab, you can see what actions the instrument is making to optimize the parameters that we marked as automatic to get the best signal and count rate. It does this by adjusting an attenuator and position of the lenses to get an optimal signal between 100 to 400 kilocounts per second. The instrument will go through this iteration process until it is satisfied with signal intensity. The position of the lens, attenuator, and number of runs set by the DLS will be displayed at the bottom of the log sheet. Once the experiment starts, go to the Multi-View tab. The Multi-View tab shows the scattering fluctuations for each run in a measurement, as well as the correlation function and particle size distribution derived from this. Ideally, a consistent scatter fluctuation pattern in the count rate plot should be shown without large erratic spikes that are indicative of dust or large particle contamination. The intensity PSD plot shows the particle size distribution measured based on intensity. After a sample measurement is completed, you can view all the data by navigating through the colored tabs on the main window. The Records view shows a summary of all the measurements and some key parameters and results. The Intensity PSD tab shows the results from the intensity-based particle size analysis. This includes the z-average, which is the result of the cumulants analysis, only relevant for monodispersed samples, and a result of the single exponential model fit, as well as the particle size distribution, which is the result of the multi-exponential model fit. Right-click the plot to view the data as a histogram or frequency curve. The polydispersity index, PDI, should be less than 0.03 or 0.04 to indicate a single particle size or monodispersed sample. Higher values indicate the presence of multiple sizes of particles. The Volume PSD tab shows the results of the volume-based particle size analysis, which is a conversion based on the Mie theory. Always check the different model fits to evaluate your results. The cumulants fit will not be optimal for polydispersed samples. The distribution fit will be more appropriate for those. The Size Quality Report tab will suggest potential issues in your data. In the Records View tab, you can highlight multiple measurements to overlay multiple plots in the PSD tab. Keep in mind that the accompanying statistics will only be for the first of your highlighted samples. To analyze another sample under the same parameters, press the play button. Selecting Save As will save your measurement parameters as an SOP. This is advised if you plan on routinely repeating the same measurement. You can change the parameters of a measurement after data collection by pressing the Edit, then Edit Result. This will allow you to change any parameters that are used in calculations and create a new measurement in the Records View tab. It will not overwrite your existing measurement. You can copy your data into a Word or Excel file by selecting in the PSD tab the Edit, Copy Size Graph, Copy Size Values, and it will add the data to your clipboard. To export your data, you can save files under a user folder or PI folder in the measurement data directory. From there, you can email the data to yourself or upload it into a hard drive. The software is free and downloadable from the Malvern website, but requires Windows. Once you are done taking measurements, close out of the software. Turn off the instrument using the power button on the back. Now you can log off the computer.